Hey guys, so you probably saw my update video about the new computer that I got. What isn't really new? This is the computer, the Lenovo ThinkPad. It belonged to my scout troop. Unfortunately, while I was there, it was pretty mistreated. If you want to know more about this computer, check out the video. But this video is not about that computer. Roomba! Vroom, vroom. This is my new iRobot Roomba vacuum. Its name is Trixie. Say hi to Trixie. It cleans this space pretty well. Let's experiment with vroom, vroom tire screech. Has a little backup alarm. I don't know why. And the circle gets to work. Roomba has a pretty busy job, but he oftentimes bumps into things. Despite that, though, he can keep on vrooming. Look at him, master at work. Look, you can even trap him. I'm gonna be doing little skits with this thing, but it seems to be confused. Time to turn off the car. If you need to discipline your robot, pick it up! Take out the waste container, and then you can beat the trash out of it. And kick the robot, too. You can return it to its happy home.